What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of My Life. So, for dinner tonight, my dad made wings and french fries. The wings look pretty good. The french fries are as crispy as I like them. And I made my own homemade sauce by mixing together this Kraft honey mustard, which is always tasty in and of itself.
Sure, it's a good thing you didn't make your homemade sauce playing with your foreskin.
Ew, ignore my dad. And I also used whole grain mustard. The sauce looks really good. I wish I had a bottle of it. That's what my plate looks like. As you can tell, the fries, chicken wings, and my sauce look all tasty.
The piece on the left is the one with foreskin.
Ignore my old man. My old man's a fool. Then again, they do say mamas never raise fools, but then again, I ain't really sure on that. But let's see what this dip tastes like. It looks really good on the wing.
Your mama must not be a mama because she raised you.
Ignore my dad. Mom, you're amazing.
I didn't say she wasn't amazing. I said if mamas don't raise fools, then she didn't raise you because you is a fool.
I ain't a fool.
You is a fool.
I am not.
You is a fool.
Dad, if you think I'm a fool, what's that make you?
Fool's father?
No, that just makes you a fool.
No, what makes you a fool's father?
But I am enjoying this popcorn chicken. It's really tasty. And these fries are really, really good.
Popcorn chicken foreskin.
Ignore my dad. My dad's just a freak, and he knows it. But yeah, this is only like the second time I've made my own homemade sauce that I can recall with
Oh, for crying out loud.
just 3 ingredients.
Oh, for crying
What?
out loud. Nothing. You're just about to make me cry out loud.
What? Why?
You're just about to make me cry out loud.
Why?
Because you're talking.
This is only the second sauce I've made.
Oh. Is it?
Yeah.
I bet you've done 10 videos on different sauces that we make.
Nope. I must say, this honey mustard mixed with whole mustard's pretty good.
What about mixed with foreskin?
Ignore my dad. My dad's just a freak.
No, you cannot pull off your legs and dip them in the sauce and pretend to have leg of Isaac for dinner.
Ignore my dad.
Weirdo.
Ignore my dad.
You're the one getting ready to eat your own leg. Good Lord.
Hey, I'd lose the weight if I did that.
No, you wouldn't, because you'd eat the whole thing and you'd weigh just the same
You're weird.
until you digested it.
My dad's probably the weirdest person I know.
Well, that's because you must not know yourself.
I'm not weird.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
Oh yeah, this isn't just a food review. I'm reviewing a homemade drink of mine that is a mixture of Sprite and this stuff that my brother got me from Russia. I don't know how my brother managed to do that. but it's tasty. But here's what the drink looks like. And I'm gonna guess it tastes like Sprite mixed with licorice.
I wonder why you think that.
Probably because that's licorice soda and it's mixed with Sprite. So let's see what let's see what this Slimer drink tastes like.
I guess those French fries dipped in ketchup taste like ketchup and French fries.
You're a weird dad, and I was right. This Slimer drink does taste like the Slimer. Does taste really, really tasty. And my dad's a freak.
I is not a freak.
You is too.
I isn't.
You don't know grammar, sir.
You don't. You said don't.
My God, dinner was good tonight.
Compliments to the Chef Boyardee.
Ignore my dad. But I am enjoying all this. I can't wait to bottle.
Jagger.
I hope one of these days I can bottle this sauce and sell it.
Jagger.
His name's Gravy, you oddball. Excuse me. But I'm really enjoying drinking Slimer here. It kind of reminds me of that Slimer Hi-C Ecto Cooler. Minus the taste. But I am enjoying it. Oh, and it's been a really cool day for me because, well, let's just say my view count has gone up even more. I didn't expect to go to bed to one number and wake up and have it be a couple X hundred bigger than what it was when I fell asleep. It rolled over to 32K, which is kind of cool. But that's just my main YouTube channel. That's pretty awesome for me. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I know I sure as hell will. Peace out, y'all.
Foreskin.
Ignore my dad.
5 skin.
Ignore my dad.